In this video, I'll be talking about some of the volume bar tricks and tips in this video, so which will help you to find a one side direction stock for the day. For example, hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be talking about some of the volume bar tricks and tips in this video, so which will help you to find a one side direction stock for the day. For example, as you can see in this here, S Bank on the Friday, that is on 9th of August, it opened at 91.80 and the stock made full way down. Okay, the all day trend was to the downside, that was towards the sell side. So how you guys can identify at the beginning of the day itself, like which stock will go to the one direction of buy or the one single direction of sell? So I'll be teaching you this trick in this video with the help of volume bar, and also I'll be teaching you how to read the volume bar, which is very important. Okay, so make sure you watch this video till the end to get all the information and this trick and these tips. Okay, and before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel, because I will be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips and lot of things in my channel. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, and also if you're new to a stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money constantly in trading, you can join my course. I do provide NSC and MCX trading course. The course price are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So a lot of the people got into my trading program and now they are making money constantly, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make constant profit like this, you can join us today. So this course is for the people who are looking to make consistent profit from intraday trading, and also for the people who are beginner to the stock market trading. You can join us. I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn constant profit, and also you will get lifetime support and live market guidance also. Okay, you can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. If you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making constant profit, you can join us now. Okay, and also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also if you're a working professional, you don't have to worry. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day whenever you are free in a day, with the use of smartphone, you can make this profit. Okay, so I'll be teaching you all of these things in my course once you join us. And also I'll be teaching you how to pick the stocks every day, and a very good money management system, a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. Okay, so guys, by being said that, now let me talk about this volume bar trick. Okay, so firstly, now I'll be teaching you how to select the stock. Okay, for this trick there is a way to select the stock. Okay, so what you have to do is, you can use any of the website to find out the most stock which is active by the volume. For example, the money control or the ET app or anything. For this video, I'll be using the Economic Times website, so I'll be giving the same link in this video description so you guys can check it out. Okay, so what you have to do is, you can pick any of the stocks. So these are the stocks which are most active by volume. Okay, so for example, now you can see there's a lot of list here. You can pick any stock. Okay, now I'll be taking the S Bank. Okay, for example, I'm taking the S Bank chart here, and I have to put the 15 minutes candle chart. Okay, so 15 minutes candle chart and the volume bar. If the volume bar is not available in your chart, in Kite you can just go to studies and search for volume and just select the volume chart, and that will add it. Okay, so as you guys can see, I've already added the volume here. Now what you have to do is, you should mark the previous day's highest volume bar. Okay, so Let me just take the horizontal. Here is horizontal. So what I have to mark is, for example, if you're trading on 9th of August, you have to mark the highest candle of 8th of August. Okay, so let me just zoom in for you. So this is the 8th of August data. Okay, the chart. So the highest volume bar candle was this one, the morning one which is opened. Okay, you can see the volume here. Okay, so it will show here open, high, low, close, and on the volume also. So the first candle bar volume was 11.5 million. Okay, and the next day you should see, if this volume breaks on the next day, so the stock will have a very good movement, very beautiful movement like what you are saying. So now, how to decide the direction, I'll be telling you this. Okay, as you can see, this was an highest green candle. Okay, and the next day it broke with a red candle. So with the sellers, the highest volume got broke of yesterday. So here the volume is 25.1 million. Okay, so yesterday's was 11.5, which is more than double. Okay, so the highest volume got breakdown on the next day, so that means it is going to be a sell side. Okay, so this is how it works. Okay, you should see the previous day's highest candle. Okay, so highest candle bar, and see which is giving a breakout on the next day. If the stock is giving a breakout, that means that it definitely going to be a very good volatile on the next day. So now let's come to the other example. So idea is a very small stock, so we'll not consider that. So I'll just show you as an example if you want. So idea, so the highest was here, that is 24.3 million. So on the next day there was no breakout of that, so that means you don't have to consider this stock. Okay, and also when you're choosing the stock here, you can pick a stock which is having a good movement also. Okay, for example, let's take India Bull Housing Finance here. Okay, so India Bull Housing Finance, so let me open the chart of India Bull Housing Finance, and let us mark the highest volume bar of the previous day. Okay, so now here, as you can see, 4.21 million was the highest candle. Okay, highest bar. On the next day it opened, so the first candle of, as I'm seeing in the 15 minutes candle chart, so even I tell you guys to see it in the 15 minutes candle chart. Okay, so that will be safe. So now 4.21 million was the highest on the 8th of August, and on the 9th of August the first candle opened, the volume was 3.71, which was close to the 4.1 million, and the next candle itself it broke 5.91 million. Okay, so as you can see, the candle, I mean the volume bar which broke was a green color, that means buyers. So buyers came in and broke the volume of previous days, and then as you can see the stock went all the way up. Okay, so it opened at 447 and made a high of 520.90 on the same day. So this is how the movement happens when the previous day volumes break out. So the volume is very important in intraday trading. Okay, so now coming to the point, like how you can read the volume, is that it's very simple. For example, if the stock price is rising and if the volumes are coming down, that means the the buy side what you're seeing is not strong. The stock may fall anytime in a day. Okay, and if the stock is falling down and the volume is rising, that means the stock is going to fall more. Okay, so it's not going to take a support, the stock is falling more and the volumes are increasing to the seller side, that means the stock will fall very much down. So that's how you can read it. Okay, so let's see for the other stock. So ICICI Bank, which I've selected in this same list here, ICICI Bank, I think there was no breakout. Yes, there was no breakout on the first candle itself. 2.25 million had come, and on the next day the highest volume was around 1.25 million and there was no breakout. So if there is no breakout, you can't say good movement as I shown you in the examples. Okay, so let's take SBIN. So SBI also no breakout. Okay, so this is how the trick is working. Okay, so let's try for IOC, India Oil Corporation, and open the chat. So here also there was no actual breakout. Okay, and the end of the day the last candle gave a breakout, but at that time you can't even trade on intraday trading. Okay, so if there is a volume breakout happening in the starting of the day itself, you know the stock is going to be very volatile, like this how we are seeing. Okay, so this is how the trick is working. So you guys can just observe this trick for a few days and let me know in the comment section how it's working. So I've been observing this for the few days and it is working very good. Okay, so you can pick any stock actually, but if you pick the stocks which are from most active volume, that means there'll be a high chance to give a breakout of that previous day volume. Okay, so that is why I set you to pick the stock from the most active by volume. You can use AT or the money control app or whichever you are comfortable with to pick the stock. The main criteria is that yesterday's highest volume bar should be given a breakout on the next day. Okay, so this is how the trick is working, so you guys can just check it out, and in the further days I'll be making an update about this video by making a strategy by volume bar. Okay, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And also, if you're new to a stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money constantly in trading, you can join my course. Okay, and also again you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel, so watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. And also every day I upload how much profit we made and what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn constant profit like this and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day and make sure you subscribe to my channel to learn a lot of tricks like this which I'll be uploading in the next coming days. And have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.